Every diamond begins its journey deep within the earth.
Extraction starts where geology meets industrial force.
Machines replace millions of years of pressure with minutes of power. Each hole defines a controlled release. The mine holds its breath. Rock yields, releasing hidden potential. Now begins the search. Now begins the search. Tons of stone move for grams of value. Extraction shifts toward processing. Raw material enters the industrial flow. Movement brings separation closer. Size is reduced. Value remains hidden. Preparation sets the stage for precision. From open earth to controlled systems. Extraction hands over to industry. The diamond's journey has only begun. Here, raw material enters a controlled world. Human oversight anchors every system. All flow converges at this point. Access is earned, not assumed. Paths are designed for purpose. Scale defines the operation. Material enters its first test. Size begins the story of separation. Nothing moves forward untested. Force refines the raw. Finer paths demand finer control.
Decisions happen in real time.
Technology watches what eyes cannot.
Paths reunite for the next stage.
Depth mirrors complexity. Cleaning removes what time has layered on. Motion reveals what matters.
Moisture is stripped away.
Preparation sharpens accuracy. Visibility defines the next decision.
Human judgment filters the obvious.
Only potential moves forward. Technology refines selection. Density and structure tell the truth. Invisible forces guide value.
The path narrows.
Separation clarifies purpose. Weight becomes the next filter. Physics replaces chance. Density protects the rare. The unnecessary falls away. Purity increases with every step.
Consistency defines success.
Structure reveals what sight cannot. Diamonds announce themselves.
Milliseconds decide value.
Nothing is trusted to a single pass. Security follows discovery.
Every gram is tracked.
Old methods still hold power.
Nature favors the rare. Precision meets experience.
The core reveals its reward.
Value moves carefully. Value moves carefully.
Environment shifts with purpose.
Human skill still matters.
Prepared for transformation. The next stage will change everything. Transformation demands absolute control.
Identity is confirmed before change begins.
Each stone is a singular decision.
Value is calculated, not guessed.
Position defines outcome. The first irreversible change.
Structure responds to intent.
Shape begins to emerge.
Symmetry replaces randomness.
Accuracy is constantly checked.
precision narrows further. Light will soon find its path. Repetition builds perfection. Roughness gives way to clarity. Brilliance is revealed, not added.
Light confirms the transformation.
From stone to symbol.
Automation now takes the lead. Delicacy meets precision. Delicacy meets precision. Orientation defines accuracy. Conditions are perfectly repeated. Color is measured, not judged. Transparency tells its story. Geometry defines brilliance.
Standards replace opinion.
Each path has a destination.
Consistency forms batches.
Integrity is preserved.
Identity travels with value.
Security tightens again.
Only systems pass freely. Automation remembers every place. Demand triggers motion. Prepared for final refinement. The final details await. Perfection allows no shortcuts. Control is maintained to the end. Microns define excellence. The smallest touch completes the form. Nothing escapes measurement. Symmetry secures brilliance.
Human eyes still confirm truth.
Purity is restored. Stillness reveals clarity.
The process agrees.
Completion takes form. Protection preserves value. Protection preserves value.
Verification awaits.
Standards now rule. Nothing ships without proof. Final checks begin.
Science delivers certainty.
Verification happens in isolation.
Standards demand controlled conditions.
Truth begins uncovered.
Clarity is documented, not assumed.
Light exposes identity.
Hidden reactions are measured. Identity is permanent. Value is quantified.
Geometry confirms brilliance.
Color finds its place.
The verdict is issued.
Trust becomes documented. Proof accompanies the stone. Integrity restored.
Authority confirms readiness.
Destination is set.
The end approaches. Prepared to leave the lab. Protection now becomes the priority. Security begins at the smallest scale.
Tracking never stops.
Human confirmation completes automation.
Proof travels with value. Batches form the outbound flow. Batches form the outbound flow. Documentation seals the journey. Storage protects time. Order defines readiness. Information moves faster than goods. Demand triggers release. The world waits outside.
Security carries forward.
Responsibility is shared.
The product stands complete. The product stands complete.
And this is how modern factories produce diamonds from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.